look at the board. These are some sentences. They are present perfect tense. I have taken breakfast. I have taken breakfast. So you have to change these sentences into passive voice. Okay? First you tell me the sentence and then you can change it in passive voice. Right? Okay, Jasmine.
I have taken breakfast.
I have taken breakfast. What is passive voice?
Has been taken by me.
Breakfast has been taken by me. Very good. Next. Anybody? Yes, Chandani.
They have written examinations. Examinations have been written by them.
They have written examinations. Examinations have been written by them. Very good. Next. Yes.
He has asked a question.
He has asked a question. What is passive voice?
Has been asked by him.
A question has been asked by him. Good. Next. Yes. Dakshita.
It has eaten food.
It has eaten food.
Food has been eaten by it.
Food has been eaten by it. Right.
We have played a game. A game has been played by us.
Us. Good. A game has been played by us. Yes, Bashir.
It has drunk milk. Milk has been drunk by it.
It has drunk milk. Milk has been
Drunk by it.
it. Very good. Yes, Akhil.
Raju has made a kite. A kite has been made by Raju.
Good.
You have built a house. A house has been built by you.
Good. Yes. Yes, Dhanush Raj.
She has eaten mangoes. Mangoes have been eaten by her.
Yes, she has eaten mangoes. Mangoes
Mangoes
have been.
eaten by her.
Very good. Your chance is over. Yes. Anybody? Yes. Harini.
Has eaten food. Food has been eaten by
Good. A food has been eaten by it. Good. Yes.
It has eaten food. Food has been eaten by it.
It's already over.
Raju
Next
has made a kite.
Raju
Has made a kite.
made a kite. Yes.
A kite has been made by Raju.
Raju. Iswar.
It has drunk milk. Milk has been drunk by it.
Good. Lokesh.
I have taken breakfast. Breakfast has been taken by you.
Breakfast has been taken by me. Just tell me any
They have
sentence.
written examinations. Examinations have written by them.
Once again.
They have written examinations.
Yes.
Examinations have written by them.
No. No.
Have been written by them.
Yes. Examinations have been written by them. Good. Very good. Next. Sunil.
She has eaten mangoes. Mangoes have been eaten by her.
Very good. Claps.